Hello everyone, I'm Aditi Vyas. The machine learning project that I'm going to present today is flight delay prediction. I will be using the dataset from Kaggle, which is the flight delay dataset. So the aim of the project is to predict the delay in flight arrival by minutes. To compute the accuracy, I will be using two algorithms like linear regression and random forest and gradient boosting. So we will first compare the mean square error and the R square, which we will get from the algorithms, and then find out the accuracy from it. So the algorithm that gives the lowest mean square error value, or we can say the MSE value, and the highest R square values will provide the best accuracy. So as we can see, the first code is on the linear regression algorithm, and the second code is using the gradient boosting and the random forest algorithm. So, what are these models doing? It is first importing the libraries, then it's loading the data from the dataset file, the CSV file, which we say. Then it does the data pre-processing, like converting the time from string to number format. The next step it does is handling the categorical variable, which is converting those variables into a format which is suitable for the model. Then the pipeline is created using those models. The data is then split into the training set. The model is then trained using the training data, and finally, the model makes the prediction. So now let's compare the output which we are getting from both the algorithms. The first algorithm, which is the linear regression, the mean square error, and the R square score are as follows. Similarly, for the second algorithm, which is the random forest and the gradient boosting, these are the mean square errors and the R square values. So let's first compare the mean square error which we are getting. So for the random forest, the mean square error we are getting is 2631, and that for the gradient boosting we are getting 1933. For that of linear regression, it is 1926. So as we said before, that the lowest MSE value should be considered. So linear regression is actually giving the lowest MSE value. So we are going to take linear regression into consideration for it. Now let's compare the R square score. So for the linear regression, it's minus 0.012. And for that of random forest and gradient boosting, it's minus 0.38 and minus 0.1016. So the highest R square value should be taken into consideration. So again, we can see that linear regression is giving the highest R square score. So as linear regression is giving both the MSE and as well as the R square score, like which we are taking into consideration. So we can say that as of now, the linear regression is giving the best accuracy. But for later on, I'm going to try using some other relevant features, like adding those relevant features. For example, like other categories from the data set to check the accuracy if it's giving the same or is it changing, like to give better result. Thank you.